Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you again in the next video of our YouTube channel. So this is the problem asked on 13th of February and we are discussing this easy level LeetCode problem. Find first palindromic string in the array. So this is very simple question. Here we have given an array of strings, words, and we need to return the first palindromic string in the array. Now if there is no such string, we will return an empty string. So if a string is palindromic, if it reads the same forward and backward. So we know what the palindromic string is. So we just need to return the first palindromic string in the whole array. Here, ada is the first string that is palindrome. So we will enter ada. Note that race car is also palindromic, but it is not the first. So we will not return that. In the words array, so race car is the palindromic string and not a palindrome is not a palindrome. So we will return race car. The first and only string that is palindromic is race car. And here in the last example, there are no palindromic strings, so the empty string is returned. Let's check what is the approach here. So we will define a function isPalindrome to check if a given word is palindrome by comparing characters from both and towards the middle. So we will create a isPalindrome function to check if given word is a palindrome or not, and we will iterate through each word in the input vector words. So here after creating the function isPalindrome, now in the main function we will iterate through each word from input vector words. So for each word we will check if it is a palindrome using the isPalindrome function, and if a palindrome word is found we will return it immediately, and if no palindrome word is found, after iterating through all the words we will return an empty string. So let's code for this solution. The code is very simple. First of all, we will iterate through for loop for auto word present in words, and we will check if is palindrome of word is true. If it is true, we will return word, else we will return string. Here we are iterating through these words array, and for each word we will call isPalindrome function for that word, and if it is true, if isPalindrome is true, then we will return that word. Now we will create a isPalindrome function which will give us a boolean value isPalindrome function which will accept string word. Now we will calculate initialize n equals to word dot length. Now for int I equals to 0, I less than n by 2, I plus plus. This is the standard palindrome function. So if word of I is not equal to word of n minus I minus 1, then we will return false, else we will return true. So this is the standard palindrome function, and we are using it to check if it gives true for each word present in the words array, and if it is true then we will return simple word. Let's check for the solution. So the solution hidden test cases, so sample test cases run successfully. Check for the hidden test cases. Yeah, the solution is correct. So talking about the time complexity here, so we are iterating through this for loop, and again in the isPalindrome function we are iterating through this for loop for 0 say n by 2. So we can say that the time complexity will be big O of m cross n by 2, where m is the total number of words present in the words array, and n by 2 is the characters present in that given word. So overall big O of m into n, and the space complexity here it will be big O of n because constant operation. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And stay tuned for upcoming LeetCode problem of the day videos and Munstack web development projects. Happy coding, and let's make this year a fantastic one together. Thank you.